I went from paying monthly to profit mode in just 30 days, and I'll show you how. Stay with me because I'm going to show you the exact duplication path I used and the $25 level shortcut that trains you and your team to generate leads, drive traffic, and make sales. How Home Business Academy helps you build income from home. When I first started looking for a work from home business, I was drowning in noise. Everything promised the world, but nothing stuck. Then I found Home Business Academy. Within a month, my subscription was covered and I was in profit. Now, actually, I was using it for several months before in my day-to-day business. But once I started promoting it, about a month later, I was in profit mode. Sound familiar? You try one system, then another, and nothing works. Here's the difference. HBA gives me clarity. The system works because it's not about hype, it's about duplication. HBA solves the overwhelm with 3 things. A funnel builder that simplifies everything, step-by-step training that cuts the noise, and a supportive community that keeps you accountable. That's how I rank first page of Google, YouTube every single day. Here's the exact step I followed. No fluff, no confusion. Now I'm going to show you the shortcut that I was talking about that helps build Home Business Academy or any online business, okay? Now first I'm going to show you proof that I'm actually making money with this so you see that I'm about what I talk about. So here's a $83.05 commission. I just get to go straight to my wallet from e-wallet support, okay? And it was actually about $95, but it cost me $2 to cash out and add my bank account, and I waited too long to start making to collect the money, so that was another $10 charge. So about $95.05. And here is 2 HBA sales. Okay, so the first one was August 21st, right? Hot diggity money dancing dog, you just made a sale from HBA, right? And it says, woohoo, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Do a little money dance. Pat yourself on the back and remember, you're on your way to freedom. And here's another one, okay, that just came back. And that first one that I told you about should be paying a second time any day now, unless they stop their membership. So, and then boom shakalaka. As you can see, September 13th at 7:49. Someone referred to the Home Business Academy just purchase the product. Do a little money dance, and to earn more, just do more of what you just did. Paul and Mike and HBA Freedom Crusaders. I'm actually going to show you the shortcut that I was talking about. What? Okay. 1 second. So as you can see, I'm in Google. I'm not signed in. This is Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. And these are sponsored ads, and this is actually the Home Business Academy. So these do not count. So the first one is the actual business Home Business Academy. Then there's Amy Allen, and here's an Instagram post from me. And so you see it's JJ Solly. It's a little bit different. I'm going to go over there. You obviously can see me right now. Where is it? So this is an Instagram post where I include, see, obviously same person, right? And it has my video in it. And we teach you this and much, much more inside the system that I'm going to give to you on a silver platter, okay? I'm not giving, it's not free for me. I'm going to pay for it. But if you join with me and lock arms in the $25 level, I'm going to give you the training that will help you get traffic leads and sales that I'm using every single day, that everybody ranks with. My first video, I ranked. So, now we're going to go to, okay, so we're back in Google, right? Let's see if I have anything else. And then I'm moving on. Okay, so that's the first page of Google, right? Hard to rank for. Okay, now I'm going to go to YouTube. And this is where a snowball can go a long ways, right? The number one is an Andrew Guthrie post and video, because that's a sponsor video, and that's a team member of ours, and he's only been in the system for about a month, and he's been dominating on YouTube and Google, and that's what we show you in here. The second video is me make money on with JJ, another ad, another make money on with JJ post. So 2 of the top 3 posts are our team. Okay, here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. And Make Money On With JJ. And see, every time I tell you me or my team, think you and your team. Because this is not about me, it's about whether you can duplicate it. So all you do is plug the person into the system that I give you for free. You get paid instant commissions to whatever processor or processors you want. Instant commissions of 50%. So you can make anywhere from up to $1,500 on the level I give you. Okay, no matter if you're qualified at that level or not. So if, as long as you're in the one program and you get a $1,500, you get a $30,000 sale that pays you 50%. You get $1,500 even at the base level. How cool is that, right? So another video by Make Money On JJ. Another video by Make Money On JJ. Another video by Andrew Guthrie. We are dominating again. And it means you and your team can do the same thing for any system. Make Money On With JJ. Make Money On With JJ. It's repetitive? No. That's pretty damn cool, right? So think, again, every time I talk about me and my team, think you and your team. Because this is the training that allows us to do this. Another one right here. And the second top short is our team member. That's Postcard Lifestyle. And another one. And another one. Done, done, done. Another one bites the dust, right? Another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. Another one bites the dust. So, and another one, yes. See, you can dominate any leaderboard, any company with this training. You and your team. Imagine just plugging somebody into something you got for free and making anywhere from $3.50 to $1,500 instantly to whatever processor, okay? Now we're going to check a different term, because this one's a lot cooler. So I'm going to go check in Google first. Okay, why HBA works for beginners. You can see I'm still not signed in. The number 2 video is a YouTube video, right? And I believe I'm in there again. Give me a second. Okay, moving on. I'm going to go to the YouTube. Okay, this is really cool because there's some big powerhouse videos with a lot of views in here. Okay, again, an ad. As you can see, I'm not signed in. Why HBA work for beginners, even if you failed before. So in the number 1 video, I think it was in Google. Let me try scroll back up. Yep, the number 2 video in Google, and the number 1 video on YouTube. How powerful is that? And see, okay, I wanted to scroll and show you how big how many views there are. 208,000 views, okay? 457,000 views. Mine has 38 views. And I know I'm ranked in here, at least one more. 2.6 million views. 4.1 million views. Okay, so 362 views is the smallest one. 1.2K. Another one with 36 views, right? And another one with just 4 views. Okay, wait, this is a video from 56 minutes ago. But as you can see, why HBA works for beginner is nowhere in this title. So this is like a snowball going downhill. You start with a little snowball. Nobody's scared of a snowball, but by the time it gets down to the bottom, it can be an avalanche of traffic. Okay, an avalanche of snow versus an avalanche of traffic is much cooler, right? 56 minutes ago, and it's already ranking for this term. But again, this is what makes the Home Business Academy different and why it matters. So the only different thing is why and Home Business Academy, and actually this says why HBA. So really cool. 56 minutes ago, and it's ranking. Okay, 600 views. 173,000 views, 4 million, another 4 million views, 135,000, 275, 144K, 3.3 million. So, again, you can dominate any company with this. This is a high volume keyword, okay? High volume. Okay? 759,000 views. But yet we have two or three videos in the top on Google, right? Say YouTube. So you can do this. Again, it isn't about me, it's about you, what you can do. Okay, I've already shown you that I'm getting commissions. Okay, did I tell you I'm already in profit? With just two sales, I'm in profit and about to be paid a third time because this pays residually. You have residual bills, right? You pay rent. You might have you probably have utility bills. You have a car note. You have car insurance. You have a cell phone, most likely. You might have some streaming services or cable. Then these are residual bills. Doesn't it make sense to have residual income? And again, there was two of these, right? And this will change soon. So imagine logging in tomorrow and seeing your first commissions already there. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. HBA hands you that blueprint, and I'm going to shortcut it, or any other business, by giving you the training that I use every single day. How cool is that? I'm paying for it out of my own pocket because I want you to succeed. I want you. Now I'm going to show you real quick before I forget, because sometimes I forget. I'm going to go to my funnel builder, right? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. Okay, I'm going to check out a video right here. Okay, I think we have one right here. Let me find a video. Okay, so we're only going to it's copied by an ad. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back to my funnel builder. We're going to change this title. It's going to be a little bit different because there's an ad covering up half the thing. Paste. Okay, and watch, this is a big thing, Home Business Academy for Beginners, right? I'm going to change that. Watch this. Okay, so I'm going to go share. I'm going to copy the link, right? I'm going to go back to the video. Sorry, there it goes. I'm going to change it. Edit video. So you can make any video a funnel, right? For more traffic for you. Another hack. Okay, it changed, right? This isn't just another digital marketing strategy or affiliate marketing pay plan. It's a clarity system that compounds into conviction. By the way, if clarity like this is helping you cut through the noise, hit subscribe and tap that bell. That way you'll never miss the next step in building income from home. I'm going to always be real with you, okay? Here's the reward for staying with me. I'm personally covering your entry into a proven program that teaches you how to generate leads, drive traffic, and make sales for any offer, okay? This is the thing I'm showing you right here, where we're ranking on YouTube and Google, right? With Instagram posts, with YouTube posts, with Google posts, okay? While building a team of trained affiliates for any offer and earning instant commission straight to the payment processor of choice, whether that's GPay, whether that's Zelle, whether that's Venmo, whether that's Cash App, whether that's PayPal. You like to be paid in crypto, you can be paid in crypto. Okay, so you just sign up with Lock Arms with me at the $25 of Home Business Academy, or HBA, right? And you get training in HBA and an awesome system that you use to stand out from the rest. Look, this is the first page you'll see. You put your name and email address in, hit yes I want in, and you get a page a page like this that'll make you stand out. That'll tell your story, that'll build your email list, that'll build know, like, and trust, because we have over 150 emails you can plug into this system, okay? Not only will you be trained, but your future members will too. That's how duplication creates conviction. If you've ever felt stuck in the noise, drop your story below. Every comment is a key. We're unlocking the next level together. I'm giving prompts out for free if we get 10 unique comments per video, right? Clarity compounds when you share it. Clarity that compounds into conviction. How Home Business Academy helps you build income from home. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.